1 is fun. Straight down, it's done. Around and back on railroad track. Around the tree and around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. Hi, kindergarten. It's Miss Hartman here. I've been sitting here at my house and I've been working hard on my number formation. But sometimes I get tired using just a wipe-off marker and a board. I thought, what about if I use something really fun to get my fingers in? And maybe I'll be working my small muscles in my fingers to form my numbers today. So I decided that maybe I'll just put my board to the side. I'll close up my marker and I might go on a hunt to the bathroom and see if I can find some shaving cream. I'll be right back. Oh, I found some shaving cream. Now remember today, if you do this activity, you need to ask for permission from your family. See if you have shaving foam or shaving cream, and if you don't, you can go to the grocery store and buy that. And if you don't have an ability to go to the grocery store and get some shaving cream, you could use rice, you could use sand for the same activity. And what you'll need is a bottle of shaving cream with your family's permission, and they can help you use it. Okay, I don't want you to do this on your own. And you're going to also need like a cookie sheet, something like that. I have a little foiled tray that I could cook cookies on, but today I'm going to put shaving cream on it. This is going to be so much fun. So I'm going to take my shaving cream and I shake it up really good to make it nice and foamy. And then I'm going to spread it right at the top of my cookie sheet. Just like that. And then I'm going to make sure before I go on that I roll my sleeves up. And whatever hand you use to write, so when you were using your wipe-off marker, whatever hand you use to write is the same hand that you're going to use to spread, okay? And the other hand is just going to be used to hold your tray. So this is really important. You only want to have one hand messy, okay? Before you get your hand messy, I want you to look around your kitchen and see if you can find a towel, because you are going to have to wipe your hand at the end of this activity. So I have my towel, I have my right hand. This is the hand I usually use to write with. You may use your left. And we're going to smooth very gently. I'm not slamming my hand down and I'm not pushing. I'm actually just kind of just touching the shaving cream and moving it all around. So I'm going to try to smooth it all around and move it all the way around my whole cookie sheet. And I'm going to have to kind of make it move just like that. Try to get it over in the corners. That way I have a nice big, it's kind of like I have a big wipe-off board that I'm creating. Okay. And if you were taking a bath today, you could even do this in the bathtub. You could do this on the wall of the bathtub. If your parents give you permission to, you could spray it right on top of the wall and you could do this. Now once you have your board set, you're going to see that I have a lot of shaving cream on my hand. And that's okay, but I want to make sure that I only hold up my pointer finger now. And today we're going to practice writing all the numbers we've been learning in math. So we're going to start with a 0, and you can go right along with me. So 0, we're going to make a really nice big one, and we're going to use just our pointer finger, nice and round, all the way, and we can say 0. Good job. And then you can erase it just as quick. Watch this. Whoa, that was pretty fun. Remember, put your pointer finger back up. We're going to try number 1. Number 1 is fun. Straight down, it's done. And then I can erase it again. And I'm going to try number 2. Around and back on railroad track. Choo-choo! That's one of my favorite ones. And I'm going to keep on going and practicing my numbers all the way to 10 today. Around the tree and around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. I'm going to erase it. Down and over. I pick up my finger again and down once more. That's the way to make a 4. And I'm going to keep on practicing until I get to 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and since 10 is a 2-digit number, I might want to turn my tray sideways so I have more room for it, and I can make my number 10. Now once I turn my tray sideways, a challenge today would be to try to make the numbers that come after 10 all the way to 20. So the next number would be 11, and you notice I did not erase my 1 because when I say 11, I know that it's a 1 and another 1. So I don't have to erase the 1 because the 1's going to stay there. 11. A 1 and 2 is a 12. You know what comes next. What comes after 2? A 3. That's right. So a 1 and a 3 would be called 13. What would be a 1 and a 4? What is that one called? A 1 and a 4 is 14. And you notice the 1 just stays there the whole time. 1 means one group of 10 and 4 more. So 14 is 10 and 4 more. Whoa! I didn't know that. I'm learning that in kindergarten. Oh, you could put a 5 here, or 1 and a 5. Well, that would mean 15. One group of 10 and 5 more makes 15. That's a lot. That's a lot more than 10. Actually, that's 5 more than 10. A 1 and a 6. What is this one called? A 1 and a 6. That's right, 16. One group of 10 and 6 more. And you can keep on going until you get to 20. 1 and a 7, 17. A 1 and an 8, 18. Oh, I'm almost to 20. I'm so excited. This is fun. A 1 and a 9, 19. One group of 10 and 9 more ones. Oh, wait a minute now. I know what comes after 9. That's 10, right? 9, 10. So after 19 is going to come 20. And 20 is going to change that 1. We're going to put a 2 in the front. And that's going to stand for 2 groups of 10. And no ones. 2 groups of 10 and nothing else. Because 0 means nothing, right? 20. I made it! Now I get to take a brain break and I can erase all my work and I can draw whatever I want because I earned it. And I was working so hard in math today. I think Miss Hartman's going to draw a heart. Have fun. Have a wonderful day in math today.